In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to blur your face in CapCut in seconds. First, launch your CapCut app, import a video into the timeline. Next, add the blur effect by tapping on Effects, then Video Effects, going into the basic category and selecting the blur effect. Or also you can search for the blur effect. Adjust the blur effect across your video, and if you want it stronger or weaker, tap on adjust and fine-tune the intensity. After that, select a video and tap on the copy button, then choose overlay to place the duplicated video underneath the original one. Select the second video layer, tap on mask, and then choose a mask shape. With the circle marks being the best option for blurring a face, resize and position the marks over the face using the on-screen controls. If the person moves in the video, add keyframes by placing one at the beginning, then moving forward in the timeline and adjusting the marks position wherever the face moves. Repeat this for each moment and the blur will smoothly follow the face throughout the video. This method lets you blur faces cleanly and professionally in just a few seconds. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.